Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your USDC from Uphold to MetaMask for more decentralized control. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Uphold and MetaMask set up. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet on your browser or mobile app. Ensure it's connected to the Ethereum network, since USDC is an ERC20 token. If you're not sure, double-check in your network settings. It's crucial to avoid any transfer errors. Next, copy your MetaMask wallet address. Just click on the account icon at the top and hit Copy Address to Clipboard. This is your destination for the USDC. Now, hop over to your Uphold account. Log in securely and navigate to your USDC balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Uphold's interface might have updated by 2025, but it should be straightforward. Once you're there, select USDC as the asset and choose to withdraw to an external wallet. Paste in the MetaMask address you copied earlier and enter the amount you want to send. Remember, always double-check the address to prevent losing your funds. Typos are a common mistake. Before confirming, review any network fees. In 2025, Ethereum might still have gas fees, so keep an eye on those to ensure your transfer is cost-effective. Hit Confirm, and Uphold will process the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, head back to MetaMask and keep an eye on your transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. This method keeps your assets moving smoothly in the evolving crypto landscape. That's it for today's guide. If you follow these steps, sending USDC from Uphold to MetaMask should be a breeze. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.